Now in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download a Snapchat. So let's dive in. So if you want to, for us to download our Snapchat, we're going to use Play Store. So let's go to our Play Store, and sorry guys, in the Play Store you have the ability to search. Now let's search for Snapchat. Open it, and you can see Snapchat. Click on install. Okay, our Snapchat is being, you can see, you are going to wait for it to load, to complete the loading. Okay, sorry guys, we have to wait for it to complete the present, so we can now install it, and you guys can see how to download your Snapchat and how to install your Snapchat. It's very easy. So let's wait for it, and I think it's almost complete. Yes, it is complete now. So now it's going to install automatically by itself. So let's wait for it to install, and we can now open it. So let's wait. Okay, now our Snapchat has been installed, so let's open it for you to see the interface. Okay guys, this is a Snapchat. So guys, it's very easy to install your Snapchat. You can see. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.